Alright, this is Jeep and Jack. Today's video is going to be why I am never buying Amazon headlights ever again. And reason B, you'll see in the video of why. It's going to be a little bit of a long video, but you're going to see why I'm never buying these headlights again. The fit and finish of them was awful, and yet every review was 5 stars and it had over 200 reviews. It was only $100 for the whole set. Now there are 2 other ones I do like. There is one that's a one piece, so they aren't all separated. It's a one piece that's on Amazon. That might be better. That one got good reviews too. And there are a pair of German headlights that are out there that put out a better display of light and will not blind oncoming drivers. DOT doesn't like them, but they're better and they don't hurt oncoming drivers. Please watch the video if you want to see all the imperfections, which is a lot, and all the cheap plastic that they make it out of. So please enjoy the video. Guys, this is Jeep and Jack. In today's video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to replace the header panel and the headlights on this 98 ZJ. Let's get started. Do it the other way.
Are they the same? Is it this guy?
Yeah, it is that guy. There we go.
Right.
Good eye.
There's a
JK.
screw at the bottom and a longer one that comes from the top.
Yeah, you're gonna have to probably do that
Yeah.
because you took them.
Let's get the top one lined up.
Okay.
Needs to come that way a little bit.
Hold this for you.
Yeah. Oh, lined up.
Damn, could you get a longer one? That's too long.
Right there. No, that's what came out of here.
Really?
Uh-huh.
God damn, that's gonna go into the damn plastic. That ain't right. That's not.
No,
where it
I know
came
that's
from.
the one that came out.
Well, it might have, but then it's not what's going back. Well, maybe it is.
Yep.
That's really weird.
I have to get it lined up first. Oh, I gotta pull it out.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
How many people does it take to screw in a light bulb?
It takes 3. Well, no, 1 to hold the camera.
Get the bottom one. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa.
Shit.
Was that tab there for anything?
It was to hold it right there and hold it in that.
Well, if we can get these screws in, it won't matter.
You want to try it without
Yeah.
it? We can put the old one back on if we need to.
All right.
See when?
Looks like the bottom isn't in there, right?
Let me see.
We have using the short star screws for the top and 2 Phillips heads that we found for the bottoms. All right, this is something. Factory wire, factory colors.
It's a 3-tang, 3-tab.
tang. And this side's a 2, and the side marker that we got for this side is a 3.
When did this... Where's the original?
How do you do that?
The original is black.
Original's 2 on this side. Original's 3... 2? Wait.
The original one came out of
Original both were 2.
Somehow this is a 3 for the original plug. Well, how did it fit to begin with?
One side was 2, one side was 3.
One side was 2, one side was 3.
Yep.
Well, then the manufacturer messed that
Was
up.
that side 2 or 3?
3.
That was 3.
3 and 3.
Yeah.
What were we doing?
If you wanted to, you go ahead and start putting the bumper back on. I'm gonna chew this stop piece off. I don't know. We'll find out.
Come on, baby, fit.
The big one
Mm-hmm.
up top or the little one?
The one that does fit. There you go.
There you
Good
go.
enough. All right, well, catch this. This is the original headlight right here, and you see the gap right there. Looks right. Looks good.
This gap here.
All right, let's get a new headlight. This one had the best reviews on Amazon, 4.8, and they were about 2
For the
bad.
whole kit?
Yeah, for the whole kit, about 2 bad reviews.
This piece didn't work. One side had a 3-tab, one side had a 2-tab. Light back here, if you see, remember that. Now this bulb, look at this.
Look at that. Get all lined up.
There it is. Look at the gap. Right there to right there. I can't fix that because it's plastic. You can't You can't bend it, you can't push it, you can't pull it. Let's see it like. Fixed tabs in line, and look at that gap. Your adjustment gap, your adjustment's right here on the top, right. Well, you have adjustment on the other side too. Yeah. But
that's not gonna fix it.
These two posts, that post and this bottom post are lined up and they're in the hole. And look where that top one, look at the gap there. The other side is the same way.
My pinky fits in there.
Moral of the story, don't buy the $100 or $99 kit, 3-piece, 6-piece kit, 3-piece each side kit from Amazon, because it's crap.
Check this out.
This is the difference right here. This is why this one, the new one, in the $99, $90, whatever kit it was, 3-piece kit from Amazon won't fit. Look at your gap from here to here, and look where it's placed on this piece. Look how narrow that is. That pushes this light
out
over and gives you a 1/2-inch gap, or like right there. That's where the gap is. Where the factory one, although it looks like crap, we have to shine that up. We're going to try. That's why it doesn't fit. And now that's off a bunch, and you can't just slot it out with a Dremel, because you can't make the hole bigger, because it has to be that size. There you go.
Now it's Christmas Day, and we have cleared up the original headlights. This is what they look like now after using the Meguiar's headlight repair kit. We're gonna pop these back in, get the grill on and everything, and our job will be done. As you saw, the headlights, what I think, were garbage. That, on top of that, the wires that would go in, it was different for both sides. The little plugs that go in, they were the same for both sides, however they are different on the Jeep, and yet they didn't change that, which was really frustrating that we had to cut everything out just to get on this bottom marker right here. That is why I'm never buying Amazon headlights again, especially for something like this. Enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. See you on the next one, eh?